Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to crop photo in circle shape in CapCut. For example, I have a picture here, put on the timeline, and after that click on the image on the timeline, and on the right side you need to click on the video, and on the basic remove BG, and third option is the mask. Click on that, and here you will see that add mask. You need to click on that, and here you can see that there is a circle option. Click on that and fix on the photo, and from the handles you can drag to the make bigger or can decrease the size. This seems much better. If you want to increase from this side, you can also increase from this fell handle. So once you done it, let's play it how it's looked. So here you can see that the photo is in circle shape. So in this way you can easily make your photo in circle shape in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.